Hey y'all, this is Lori Delk with Send Out Cards. I'm going to show you really quickly how to make a campaign, just really quickly, like for your Christmas cards. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to go to my Send Out Cards page and we're going to click on campaigns. And then I'm going to click on my campaign. So you can see these are ones that I've personally created here. These are ones that I've bought for different things. So, but I'm going to just click on this plus at the top here. And I'm going to call it 2019 Christmas. Hit create. And then I'm going to click add a card. I'm going to choose the build your own. And customize. I'm going to choose a 3-panel card. And then I'm going to click on the front. And so I'm going to find this picture that I created for the front. And so you can do these fonts. I created this outside of the Send Out Cards program and then just uploaded it done into Send Out Cards. You can do it in a lot of different programs like Photoshop, or a lot of people use Canva. So there's lots of great graphics programs out there now that are really easy that you don't have to have a graphics designer like me to create it for you. And so then here I'm going to do the 3-panel. So it's got 3 on the inside. So this one I'm going to pick, it's just a picture of all 4 of the kids. The boys with their wives, my daughter with her boyfriend, and then my other daughter. And then on the inside, I wrote a little Christmas letter kind of about what we did this year. And so I just uploaded that as an image also, so I wouldn't have to write it over to make it easy. And then on the right-hand side, I did kind of a like a collage of different events that I did throughout the year. So just a few of them. And then on the flap, I had a son that got married last month. And so I just took a couple of my favorite pictures from the wedding and I put that into a little collage. And then for the back, this was my family photo from last Christmas, and so we got a new one this year, so I'm going to put that one on there. And so then just add to campaign. And so then it is done. I'm going to hit save. And then if I'm ready to send this, I would just hit send order and then choose either the groups or the clients that I want to send it to. But right now I'm just going to hit save and I am done. So happy holidays. Merry Christmas, everyone. If you have any questions, please email me or text me or comment below and I will answer them for you. And have fun sending.